everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can reset the Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, and we can also know the formatting process of our Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. And so for that, let us begin. So we will be opening our settings, and we can do that by just making a right click here in the Windows icon, and then you will see the settings option, this one, settings, or you can just tap this Windows icon here, and then you will see this settings icon here. So you can just click on that and we will be brought to the settings window. And you can also make a search here in the Windows search tab. If you type settings, you will see under best match the settings option. So once you click on that, it will open the settings window. And once we're in here, all we need to do is just to go to the system. So please go with system, and we will look for system devices. So please look for system devices here. Okay, so I haven't seen the system devices. I'm sorry. We will go with recovery. This recovery option, since we have done since we have clicked on the system option. So please go to the recovery, reset, advanced startup, and go back. So please click on that. And then once you have done that, you will see this recovery options or window here. If you're having problems with your PC or you want to reset it, then this recovery options might help. So all you need to do is just to look for this reset this PC option. It's under recovery options. So choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So just click on this reset PC button here. And once you do that, you will see this blue window coming up. Here we can choose for an option. Either we can keep my files or remove everything. So for keep my files, it removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Whereas for the remove everything, you can remove all of your personal files, or it can remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. So we will click on keep my files. So it's getting things ready now. So this won't take long. So now it has the additional settings. So we have the current settings, restore apps and settings, which came with this PC. So let's just click on next. Or if you want other options, you can also do that by clicking this change settings here. So please click on next, and here it says, or it asks for plug in your PC. We can reset your PC while it's running on battery power. So all you need to do is just to plug in your charger, and then go click on this. It's just back. And then you can go click on the next button if you see the next button there. Okay. And you can also choose this remove everything. Once you click on that, you will have these additional settings. Let's just read it. Current settings, remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, delete all files only from Windows drives, delete provisioning packages from your workplace. So if you want to change the settings here, just please click this change settings, and you can choose for the settings that you want to be applied. And then you can also, if you're doubting for what to choose here, just click on this help me choose. Then if you want to confirm it, just click on this confirm. Click on next, and same with the situation earlier. It needs to be, or the charger needs to be plugged in. And then once you have plugged in your charger and you have decided to reset it, just click on the reset or proceed with the reset procedures and on options. Okay. So that's it. That's how you reset and format your device. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.